आज का वीडियो है लव चाइल्ड मसाबा फाउंडेशन के बारे में। मैंने पोल किया था कम्युनिटी टैब पे ये या मैक्स फैक्टर का फाउंडेशन। यू गाइज वोटेड फॉर दिस, सो हियर यू गो। आई हैव दिस फाउंडेशन ऑन माई फेस राइट नाउ एंड एज यू कैन सी दिस इज द वे इट लुक्स। इट्स बीन 5 आवर्स एक्चुअली एंड मैंने इसको अच्छे से सेट कर लिया था मेकअप के बाद। वी विल लुक इन टू एवरी डिटेल ऑफ दिस फाउंडेशन एप्लीकेशन एंड एवरीथिंग एंड लेट्स कम बैक आफ्टर दैट। सो दिस इज लव चाइल्ड मसाबा लाइट्स कैमरा foundation. I have taken the shade 06 Golden Talkies. Comes in 18 shades as of now. Brand says it is 4K mattifying foundation and has a buildable coverage, sweat transfer and humidity resistant long wear. It is also enriched with lot of good ingredients like rosehip oil and jojoba oil, cica extracts and all. Very important factor which I notice in this foundation is it is curated without hormonal disruptors, safe to use for women of all cohorts, teens, pregnant women, and women going through menopause. It is free from animal origin ingredients, mineral oil, petroleum, and parabens. So I have taken just 1.5 pump. Consistency is very normal, not very thick and not very runny. Okay, this side I will blend with this makeup sponge. So I like this side better because makeup sponge kind of gives the natural finish and slightly dewy finish, whereas the brush blending actually gave me quite a matte finish. Now the shade is definitely lighter for my skin tone, as you can see, and it has a bit of neutral tone. That's why it's looking slightly brighter and lighter, and it doesn't have any warmth in it. So apply the foundation on neck also. So you have seen the application and all. Let's start with the shades. I feel the shades are good, like 18 shades are good, but the undertone and swatches are not that much helpful to choose your foundation from. Now this particular shade is the last in medium category, so I have chosen that, but still this is slightly lighter for me. So if I have to go the next shade, I think I have to go in the deeper category. Love Child Masaba also have a skin tint which I have already reviewed. I like the formula more better in skin tint than this. This is very mattifying and nowadays इतना mattifying foundation ज़्यादा matte लगता है. Definitely summer में शायद ज़्यादा अच्छा लगे. Now it is said that it is sweat proof and humidity proof and also transfer proof. Now I have used it 5 hours as I have said you guys. I can see the oil here but definitely I'm not sweating. 2-3 घंटे के बाद यहाँ पे oil आया था. I actually went ahead and applied little bit of loose powder here. Another thing, it is humidity and sweat proof as of now I feel because of the season. Summer में use करके अच्छे से देखना पड़ेगा. इसका ऑक्सीडेशन टेस्ट मैं डिस्प्ले कर दूंगी कैसे ऑक्सीडाइज होता है, कितना ऑक्सीडाइज होता है. सो यू कैन सी द स्वॉचेस ऑफ दैट. ट्रांसफर प्रूफ है कि नहीं वो देखती हूँ मैं. यहाँ पे जानबूझ के डैप कर रही हूँ बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू गो ओवर माय ब्लश बिकॉज ब्लश आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे फाउंडेशन है वो मैं देखती हूँ. इट्स नॉट कमिंग मच. आई थिंक सिर्फ पाउडर ही आ रही है एंड दैट टू बिकॉज ऑफ माई oiliness that might be there. So it's not transferring as such because it's very mattifying. I'm also check on the phone. As you can see, there is slight mark where I touch on my chin area. So it doesn't show the whiteness of foundation. I feel it just shows me the oily or that thing. And let's talk about the coverage. I feel this has medium to buildable coverage. I have just used one layer. My acnes are visible and this is a lighter shade, so I feel the acne coverage is not coming because of that also. But this has like medium to buildable coverage. तो अगर आप 2 layers लगाओ तो शायद आपको अच्छा coverage मिल जाएगा. But with one layer it's good actually. It's giving me a nice medium coverage. And the very unique think that you can use this foundation is because this formulation is really kept into the consideration that whatever stage you are in, you can use this, like teens, pregnant women. तो अगर आप मेनोपॉज में हो, सो हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंसेस को ध्यान में रखते हुए ये फॉर्मूला बनाया गया है, सो दैट यू वोंट ब्रेक आउट और it won't react to you. So that is very nice. So if you consider these points, I feel definitely a good formula. If you don't like matte foundations, then you can skip this. I will prefer their skin tint over this. Once I'm done with this, I'm not going to repurchase this foundation because as of now I'm not into matte foundations. So yeah, if you like that, go ahead with this. And if you want to check out their skin tint wala review, Love Child Masaba skin tint, I have added the video card here, and also you can check out House of Makeup concealer video, which is coming up next. Bye bye.